How to change your name on your Instagram account. You want to first go ahead and go into your Instagram and then simply click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. That's going to bring you over to your Instagram profile page. Now all you have to do from here is really simple. Simply click on the edit profile button on the left hand side. That's going to bring you over to your edit profile page, where as you can see, you can have the option to change your username as well as your name, which is this video. So we're going to go ahead and delete your current name. And then I can switch your name and change it to something else. And once you change your name, simply click on the check mark on the top right hand corner and click on the check mark once again, just like that. And then now you have secured and changed your name. Now, one thing to note is that you can only change your name twice within every 14 days. So if I went ahead and changed it again and then clicked on the X, that is all the amounts of times I can change it before I have to wait before the next time. Because then as you can see, if I go ahead and change it one more time, it's going to say you can't change your name right now. You're going to have to wait 2 weeks.